Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 3. There is a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission from any purchases. Looks like today we're doing puzzle 273. If we start with this box, we're missing 5, 7, and 9. We've got 5 and 7 here, so this is our 9, 7 here, so 5, 7. For this box, we're missing 2, 3, and 4. We've got 3 and 4 here, so this is our 2, 4 here, so 3, 4. For this box, we're missing 4, 8, and 9. We've got 8 and 9 here, so this is our 4, 8 here, so 9, 8. For this bottom row, we're missing 5 and 8, and I don't see any help. So 5, 8, 5, 8. For this row, we're missing 2 and 4. We've got a 2 here, so 4, 2. For this row, we're missing 1 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 1, 9. For this row, we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 3, 5. That 5 makes this our 8, 5. For this top row, we're missing 3, 4, and 6. We've got 3 and 4 here, so this is our 6. 3 here, so 4, 3. For this column, we're missing 1, 6, and 9. We've got a 1 here and a 9 here, so this is our 6. That 1 makes this our 9, 1. For this column, we're missing 4, 6, and 8. We've got a 6 here, so 4, 8. 4 here, so 6, 8, and no help here, 4, 6, 8. For this box, we're missing 1 and 7. We've got a 1 here, so 7, 1. For this column, we're missing 1, 2, and 6. We've got 1 and 2 here, so this is our 6. 1 here, so 2, 1. With that 6, we can get rid of this 6. For this column, we're missing 4, 8, and 9. We've got a 4 here, so 8, 9. No help here, 4, 8, 9. 9 here, so 4, 8. For this box, we're missing 3, 7, 8, and 9. We've got a 3 here and an 8 here, so 7, 9. 3 here, 9 here, so 6, 9. 6, 7, and 8 here. So this is our 9. That makes this our 7, 6, 3. That 6 makes this our 8, 9. That 8 makes this our 4, 8, 4. And we've got a mistake. This box needs a 6, but this column needs an 8. And this row needs an 8. All right. Well, I don't see where the mistake is, so that will do it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. If you see my mistake, leave a comment down below. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.